Hey Scientifically viewers, welcome back to another video. Next up, we will look into what life on another planet will look like after we move from Earth to another planet. Man has been living on this Earth ever since he came into existence. In earlier times, we lived our lives solely and exclusively on our basic needs, and there was nothing more important for us. But with the passage of time, technology and science also developed, and we benefited from the light of knowledge and new discoveries, one of which was the discovery of new planets. Since that day, the question has arisen, what would life look like if we moved to another planet? In today's Scientifically video, we're going to explain what life on another planet would look like after Earth. Scientists are currently experimenting with living on planets other than Earth. Different species of animals have been sent to space in hopes of observing the effects of long-term space travel on our bodies. On Earth, our body remains in its proper state in terms of gravity, but if we travel in space, our bodies grow weaker due to the lack of gravity. If we were to live on another planet, which one would it be? Well, the most likely one would be Mars. It has been found that if a person goes to Mars without the proper gear, after going there, the human body will become incredibly thin, and gradually all of our bones will be shattered. We have to come up with some piece of wearable equipment to allow our bodies to live on Mars. We would also have to establish a water source for drinking and agriculture. Scientists have found evidence of microbial life existing on Mars under its thin layer of ice caps, but until they can find a significant and accurate source of water, we cannot make a plan to move there. If one day and they find a planet with the perfect conditions, we would initially have to send a batch of voluntary scientists, doctors, farmers, engineers, and architects to establish the first colony. It would take decades upon decades to establish full-on structures and communities. Realistically, we can expect the possibility of living on another planet to be a few decades away, until scientists can develop the right technology, as well as find a habitual climate for humans. Living on another planet is simply a fantasy. Thanks for watching today's video. Please consider subscribing so you never miss an upload.